Abu Dhabi's sovereign wealth fund, Mubadala Investment Company, is now the seventh largest holder of BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF IBIT at $461 million, almost $500 million. This is, guys, if you don't know what Abu Dhabi is, Abu Dhabi, when you think Dubai, Dubai is cool and all, but Abu Dhabi is grandeur. It has more money than Dubai. It is the capital of the UAE. Dubai is a city in the United Arab Emirates, and Abu Dhabi is the capital where all the money and the oil is. So these guys, they have taken their part of their sovereign wealth fund and put it into Bitcoin. You guys have no freaking idea what's going on. Now, there are people that were saying, oh, all this ETF, what are they all about? Now you understand why ETFs are important. Because they allow the sovereign wealth funds to now buy Bitcoin because there is a structure for them that is legal to buy and to own Bitcoin. And this has now started the race for accumulating Bitcoin. This is only the beginning. Trust me, Bitcoin is not going to go lower than people think. If these guys are holding this much, the moment it goes down, they only have plans to buy more, because countries like this and cities like this, they want to be at the top. The UAE government is the type of government that they're saying, look, if there's going to be the tallest building in the world, we want to have the tallest one. If there is an asset called Bitcoin, we want to be the #1 holding all of it. Now, as it stands, these are the top companies holding the most Bitcoin. Number 1, Goldman Sachs. Number 2, Millennium Management. Number 3, Symmetry Investment, Avenue Tech, Kapula Management, Aristeria Capital, and Mubadala Investment Company. The ticker is right here. And their position in Bitcoin is $461 million. And so many people do not know this. They think that all these other big companies are not holding Bitcoin. Goldman Sachs is holding $1.3 billion worth of Bitcoin. Do with that information what you will. Alex, how do you feel about this? And Russia is not even here on the list. What are you guys doing?
Oh, they will not be publicly on this list for sure. Russia publicly will never tell everybody what they are holding, and they will hold, right? It's super exciting for me, and also knowing what Abu Dhabi is basically sitting on a couple of $1 trillion of wealth and managing it and showing publicly what they are owning $500 million worth of Bitcoin. It's very good news for the whole market, because it's kind of like country support, not like the company support.
But when is Russia going to announce, though? Don't you guys even get the rumors first? But don't you even get rumors that, we bought some Bitcoin, but don't tell the Americans. Don't you get something like that?
I have no idea what's actually going on, but knowing the culture and how they do things usually, they already have a large amount, officially by holding and unofficially by mining and holding. They got a bunch, and they were using it in some shady or not shady moves to have this transaction all over the world, because USDT wasn't safe at all. USDT were actually freezing some accounts, not Russian one, but they were publicly freezing some wallets with an access after FBI or whoever asked. And so Russia will never disclose how much are they holding, but they will hold a lot.